In this video, you'll learn how to create a survey in Microsoft Forms, whether you're collecting feedback from customers, running a class questionnaire, or just organizing a quick poll for your team. Microsoft Forms makes it simple to set up and share a survey in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each part slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you've never used it before. First, open Microsoft Forms in your web browser. You can get there through your Microsoft 365 apps or by searching for Microsoft Forms online and signing in with your account. Once you're on the main forms page, look for the option that says New Form. Go ahead and click that. This creates a blank survey canvas where you'll build your form. At the top of this new form, you'll see a space to add a title. Click where it says something like Untitled Form and type in a clear, descriptive name for your survey. For example, you might call it Customer Satisfaction Survey or End of Course Feedback. Just below the title, there's an area for a description. This is where you can briefly explain what the survey is about, who it's for, or how the responses will be used. Keeping this short but informative helps people understand why they should fill it out and what to expect. Once your title and description are in place, you're ready to add questions. Look for the Add New button, usually located below the description area. Click Add New to insert your first question. Every time you click this, you'll create another question in the survey so you can build it up one question at a time. When you add a question, Microsoft Forms lets you choose from several types. You'll see options like choice, text, rating, and like it. Let's quickly go over what each of these does so you can pick the right one. Choice is great when you want people to select from predefined options. For example, you might ask, "How did you hear about us?" and provide options like website, social media, or friend or colleague. You can also let respondents select multiple answers if that makes sense for your question. Text is used when you want an open-ended response. This is useful for questions like, "What did you like most about our service?" or "Do you have any suggestions for improvement?" Respondents can type in their own answers, giving you more detailed feedback. Rating is helpful when you want people to score something, usually on a scale. You might ask them to rate their experience from 1 to 5 stars or use numbers instead of stars. This makes it easy to see overall satisfaction at a glance. Likert is ideal for opinion or attitude questions where respondents choose from options like strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, or strongly disagree. For example, you could say the instructions were easy to follow and let people choose how much they agree with that statement. You can mix and match these question types throughout your survey. After adding a question, take a moment to review it for clarity. Make sure the wording is simple and that the answer choices cover the options people are likely to need. When you've finished adding all your questions and you're happy with how the survey looks, it's time to share it. At the top right of the screen, click the Send button. This opens up your sharing options. From here, you can copy a link to send by email or chat, generate a QR code, or even embed the form on a website, depending on what's available in your account. Choose the method that works best for your audience and share it out. That's all it takes to create and share a survey in Microsoft Forms. You've set up a new form, added a title and description, built your questions using different types, and shared the survey so people can respond.